Hey, what's good, y'all? My name is John Manalo, and I'm gonna be doing a custom on these Katrina 3's, making them into white cement 3's. Ain't it funny how when the white cement 3's released how many times, people wanted to make them into Katrina 3's, but now that the Katrina 3's dropped, people want to make them into white cement 3's. Alright, so the first order of business is to remove the back threading with an exacto knife so we can replace the back tabs with the Nike Air. So all I'm doing is, with my fingertip, I'm just removing the stray threads that are still left on the elephant print. Alright fellas, so if you're having trouble putting that back tab in there, you show that son of a gun who's boss. So you're going to use an exacto knife to cut the extra material off, so you can fit that son of a gun in there the way it should be. Alright, so the next step will be to simulate the stitching on the elephant print, so it'll have that illusion that the tabs are actually stitched onto the uppers when they're just glued on. And I'm gonna give a shout out to my boy Who Fresh for actually doing the proper way of doing a back tab swap with the whole shoe deconstructed. You guys should follow him, since that son of a gun knows what he's doing. Now that we've applied the simulated stitch on the elephant print, it's time to move on to painting the midsole into the proper black cement 3 colorway. So all I'm doing is taping up the red portion of the midsole, and since this paint cannot be removed by almighty God, like you can't remove this with acetone or any other chemical, brake fluid, nothing, like chemical stripper. So what I do is I sand down the midsole, so then when I apply the paint, it'll adhere. If you just acetone it down, or if you just paint it black, it's gonna peel out very easily. So it's very, very, very important that you sand down the midsole if you want your paint to last a long time. Otherwise, it's gonna peel off easily and it's gonna scuff easily. Okay, so even though I laid down the black paint, I've noticed that there's small, very minute red hits from the original midsole on the top portion of the midsole and the bottom. So what I did to eliminate that is I painted it white, so then it'll mask the red hits, making it look as close to factory as possible. So now these are the midsoles touched up. I still gotta touch it up a little bit more, since there are black specks on the white midsole that don't need to be there. So I will be touching it up before the final product. Alright fellas, so this is the last of the restoration. All I have to do is attach the back tabs onto the uppers, and all I'm doing is I'm taping up the back tabs and the back panel. Apply my barge cement super stick, let it cure, heat it up, and then bond it. You know the drill. Alright fellas, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to support me, I have my Patreon down in the comments and on the description. If you guys want to do me a favor, give this video a big ass like. That'll be really dope. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any videos that I won't be posting for another 3 months. And comment down below what you guys think, fellas. Alright y'all, peace.